Now let's take a look at how you can send and receive faxes in your HaPBX using the Virtual Faxes add-on module. Although faxing may seem like an outdated method of communication, it is still actively used in industries such as legal services and healthcare. The Virtual Faxes add-on is a commercial module that requires a valid license to unlock all of its features. You can purchase a license specifically for the Virtual Faxes add-on, or obtain it as part of any HaPBX licensing plan or the HaPBX1 license. To begin using Virtual Faxes, you must install the add-on through the Add-ons section located under Admin, then Add-ons. After installing the add-on, refresh your browser and navigate to PBX, Virtual Faxes, and then Fax Devices. The first step is to create a fax device. This functions like a virtual fax machine inside HaPBX and will be used to send and receive faxes. You will need to provide a description so the fax device can be easily identified. Next, add the associated email address or addresses where incoming faxes will be delivered. You may enter multiple email addresses as you need. These will be used for the fax-to-email functionality. You must define a caller ID name and number, which will appear as the sender information when sending a fax. Finally, assign the appropriate class of service to ensure the fax device is permitted to send faxes to its destinations. Once all fields are configured, save the settings and apply the changes. To send a fax using the HaPBX web interface, go to PBX, Virtual Faxes, and then Fax Sending. Enter the recipient phone numbers in the destination field. You may include multiple numbers in this field. Ensure the phone numbers are entered exactly as they would be dialed, including any prefixes if needed. Then, select the fax device you want to use, then attach the document you wish to send. Supported file formats include TIFF, TXT, and PDF. You can also choose the transmission resolution. You can configure the maximum number of retry attempts and the delay time between each attempt. After completing all required fields, click the Send button located in the bottom right corner. When a fax is received, it will be automatically delivered to the email addresses configured on the fax device. You can also review faxes directly from the HaPBX interface by navigating to PBX, Virtual Faxes, and Fax Viewer. Here you can view faxes associated with a specific fax device and filter by all types, incoming or outgoing, and set a start date and an end date to filter the faxes you want to view. Click the Search button in the lower right-hand corner to apply the selected filters. The fax list will display detailed information such as send or receive time, sender, recipient, and document details. From the Actions column, you can download fax files or delete them if necessary. In addition, installing the Virtual Faxes add-on enables extra fax-related settings on the trunks. These settings can be found under PBX, Call Routing, Trunks, in a new section labeled Fax Settings. This section allows you to fine-tune signaling parameters to ensure fax transmissions are successful. With these configurations in place, you can send and receive unlimited faxes directly from HaPBX, fully digitizing your fax communications.